Hello everyone. Today I'm gonna talk about the top choice cars for college student. Um, in college, you won't care about much about car if you don't have much free time or much vacation. You might not need a big car. You just need the car for yourself to carry stuff, to go to work, and um, small car or enough car to parking. You have to know in college there are many cars in the parking area. If your car too long, it's very hard to parking. But if you want an enough space car, something like that, this is a top choice. This is just my opinion. Warning, this is just my opinion only. That I have been driving everywhere, and how big size car and how my personal it is. I'm only one person who driving, mostly into workplace in everywhere. I driving for my friend car. I'm driving for myself. I drive sedan. I'm moving a lot. If you're moving a lot, I recommend go to SUV. If you're not moving a lot, you go with family all the time. You can buy a sedan or hatchback, so you can save money. Top brand car I recommend if you don't want to feel headache fix the car, the cost too high. I recommend go to Toyota or Honda and Subaru. Mazda and Hyundai is a fun car to drive. It's cheaper. So top 5 brand Toyota, Honda, Subaru, Mazda and Hyundai. I like Mazda and Honda a lot because I like to driving fast. I like it's like I don't like to drive a car like I don't like the noise car. I drive like smooth and quiet. Okay, let's go back to topic. I have only choice for you only sedan, hatchback and SUV. If you go sedan, I recommend go to Camry. You save a lot of fuel, save a lot of gas. You can drive more than you thought. You can drive more than 200 miles for full tank. Civic can drive full tank too. I have a hatchback, so I can drive about 215. If a sedan, it can drive about nearly 260 miles for full tank. And then below is CX-30. It's still hatchback, cross-tech. Sonata, Elanta, that's a top choice. This choice is for the person who not good at fix the car, don't have problem with the maintenance the car. So this one can save you a lot of money. But if you want more bigger for traveling, you have hang out with your friend a lot, traveling and hang out like at least for more than 5 people. You have to carry a lot of bag and go with the long trip. I recommend CX-5, Mazda CX-5, CX-50, Honda CR-V, Toyota RAV4, Subaru Forester, Honda HR-V, Subaru Outback, Hyundai Tucson. This is a good SUV and it's low maintenance, low liability. It saves you a lot of money. I didn't talking about another brand car because I never have experience about that much. I don't have much experience about it. It doesn't mean it's bad, but it's just not a top brand choice in my experience and my tracing diet. I never test ride that before, but I can see like, oh, that's too much, too big. I cannot handle it. It's too long. I saw the car, it's hard to parking. So this my experience car. I will try test drive before. I have my own car for 6 years, but I rent the car. I try to different state and rent the car to drive all the time. So this the top car I have been select. So I hope this one can be help. If you have the different idea like, oh, I bought a different brand, a different car, should I change or to this? You don't have to. If you know what's wrong with your car, you know how to fix that, you can pick that. But this for the person who never buy a car or want to plan to buy used car before, or want to have a low stress, you can pick this one. Okay, summary. If you stay by yourself, go to sedan or hatchback. If you're moving a lot or have family, I recommend SUV. That's it, done. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.